Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change profile picture on Netflix. So it's very easy to do. As you can see, I already have two accounts here, a kids account and regular account. For change the profile picture is very easy. You can tap on pencil icon at the top of your screen, this one, edit profiles. So you can choose the profile that you want to edit, this one for example, and tap on profile picture here. So you can choose the profile picture or choose icon. Here there's the classics, the history, this Umbrella Academy based on a movies or series, Bridgerton, Elite, Lucifer, Dark Money Heist, Stranger Things, Cobra Kai, and so on. So please feel to try your favorite icon or profile picture. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.